Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. Guess what time it is? It is afternoon tea time in my house, and I want to share with you one of my favorite flavors right now. It is the Bigelow Toasted Coconut with Almond Bark. Now, if you've never tried it, I know that's kind of an interesting tea flavor, right? But if you love coconut, this is the tea for you. It tastes so good. The coconut and almond blended together. For me, it is the perfect wintertime tea, and you can dress it up however you want. It blends really well with some sweet cream, if you want to add a little bit of honey in there. So if you're looking for a way to cozy up in the afternoon, to get away from those dreary days and those wintertime blues, I really think that this Bigelow Toasted Coconut Tea is gonna do just that for you, because it does that for me. And that's my point of view.